I learned Arabic. The first time I learned Arabic, um, when the Yemenis talk to me in TikTok live, I learned Arabic. Oh, the time I first met, I learned Arabic. The first time I learned Arabic when I first time I met Ayub Tantush. Excuse me. When I when I first time I met Ayub Tantush. I know he's from Libya, but he's my Libyan friend. I met Ayub Tantush when I was in condo in Stellar Place. Yes, I met Ayub. While Miggy Labitag met Abdul. While Tony Labitag met Camille. Me, I met Yakin. It's Ezra. It's Yakin Tantush. And also I met Safa and Marwa. I met them. I know Yakin Tantush. That's Ezra. That's not a fake account in Facebook. That's a real account. First time I met Yakin. That time, I told to Jerick Silva, um, I say to him, kilala mo si Yakin Tantush, but I say to him, paano kayo nakilala? And I said, um, in condo in Stellar Place I met Yakin Tantush. Magkilala kami but we know each other. And also I met who I just met in first time. I have lots of friends I met. Oh, and speaking of which, yesterday we never celebrate Christmas Day in our relatives. I'm sorry guys, I apologize to Nanay Ningning. I apologize to Ate Mirisol. Even the exchange gift, even the family reunion. I apologize anyway. We never celebrate Christmas Day, but in New Year's Day, we will go there. But I know this is hard to say. We never celebrate Christmas Day. I apologize to Nanay Ningning. I'm not criticize Nanay Ningning. We are apologize that we never celebrate Christmas Day. We never celebrate Christmas Day. Um, um, Usually, um, we never celebrate Christmas Day. We never celebrate Christmas Day. Actually, we never celebrate. I know Nanay Ningning has first met all the foreigners in the Philippines who were Germans. I know, and Nanay Ningning is a German, of course. She's from Balikbayan. She's a Filipino German, of course. I apologize to Nanay Ningning. We never celebrate Christmas Day. Even Nanay Banji, I apologize. We never go to the place like condo because we didn't continue that exchange gift. My mom says to me, there is a guest in condo, just like an Airbnb. There is a guest. We never celebrate Christmas Day. But I hope in birthday we're invited by Nanay Ningning in February 14. Valentine's Day, right? Valentine's Day. After. And then, just like I said, after Nanay Ningning's birthday in April, me and my family were going to Japan in April 12 and until 18. This is what I planning to talk to Ate Nenet. In summer vacation, we're going to Japan April 12 and 18. That is a plan from that is my mom's decision. It's not my own decision. My friend Bill Galang, when they're in US, March 29 until uh, 18 April I think May, when they stayed there in United States. I saw in Facebook post of Bill Galang, he went there in United States. In the US. But at least Bill Galang never seen the time when he visited the US in last 2023 in December. He never seen teacher Gio Malana who was there in the US. But on April, we were going to Japan. Like I said,